In the last trading session, the session of the 6th of September 2022, GameStop gained, or rather lost 8.17%, 8.11%, closed at $25.14. 7 million shares crossed the tape, which was above average. And the folks at Schaefer's Investment Research have done a good job of breaking down what's been going on with the stock through their deputy editor, Jake Stock. So they're saying, or reminding us that GameStop is preparing for the release of its third quarter earnings due out after the market closes tomorrow, the 7th of September. Wall Street is anticipating GameStop to report losses of 38 cents per share on revenue of $1.27 billion. Okay, so GameStop stock is coming off its third straight weekly loss and has turned in just one positive session in the last 14. Its 10-day moving average has helped push the equity lower in the last few weeks, though the $25 level caught today's pullback. Let's show you that. You can see that's where that $25 level caught that pullback. You can see that there were a lot of bottoms there. As a matter of fact, a lot of bottoms there. So yes, when it spiked, it tried to pull back. So that's what they're trying to point out there. So a far cry from its meme stock heyday. GME sports a 31.5% year-to-date deficit. Okay, so moving on to GME's earnings history. The stock has closed lower the day after reporting in 5 of the past 8 quarters, though it rose 3.5% and 10.4% respectively in the last 2 reports. Over the past 2 years, the shares have moved on average have moved an average of 15% the day after earnings, regardless of direction. This time around, the options market is pricing in a larger 19% swing. Okay, option activity is muted ahead of the events, but traders' appetite for bullish bets is higher than usual. Okay, at the ISE, that is International Securities Exchange, CBOE, and Nasdaq OMX PHLX, $2.5 calls have been bought for every put in the last 10 days, plus GME's 10 and 50-day put call volume ratios each rank in the 78th percentile of its annual range, showing calls have been bought over puts at a relatively faster than usual pace during the last 2 weeks. Okay, yes, let's have a look and see what's going on here. So they're saying this time around options market is pricing a larger 19% swing. Will we be able to decipher anything there? Okay, let's see. Not very much. Can we see anything here? 2.5. What did they say? $2.5 calls. Okay, they said $2.5 calls. Okay, no, sorry, it's not $2.5. For every 2.5 calls, 2.5 calls have been bought. Doesn't mean that it's $2.5. Sorry. Okay, so so they have been able to deduce that a 19% swing is being priced by option traders, by the options markets. Let's see whether we can deduce anything from in that direction. Let's see. Okay, so this is the 16th of September. We have $30 strike. You can see, and yes, you can see these two series, the 16th of September and the 9th of September. They have a total of about 18,000. The volume there is about 18,000 contracts. So I think that is what they mean by that. That's roughly 19% swing. So and it is a swing in the positive direction, so they are pricing in a move towards $30. That is basically what they're trying to point out there. So let's return back and see what's going on in the order book. So yes, currently trading at 25.31. Yes, we can see there's some liquidity in the stock. You can see that the price, you can see the prices that are going through, they are all quite divergent. They are not strictly on that market price of 35.37, because we have various prices there, 0.15, 0.30, 0.34, 0.38, indicating that it's accommodating a broad spectrum of market participants. So there is a decent amount of liquidity in GME stock at the moment. So yes, going by what's going on here, it seems, yes, indeed, there is options traders are pricing a move to $30, a 19% move. And just going by the fact that they have picked up 18,000 contracts in those set of prices, from ranging from the 9th of September all the way to 16th of September. And also going by all that's been going on, we have a very ambitious target of $41.82 for GME. We also have noticed that there is a cycle that has just ended. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. We have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no, we have to start from here. It's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're not getting it for some reason. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. This is getting serious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 cycles here. Five cycles so far that we think that has been completed. This will be the completion of it all. Maybe if you take it all the way down here, 5 cycles have been completed. So maybe another cycle is on the cards. Another cycle is possibly on the card. Would it be a 3 cycle or a 5 cycle? But given all that's going on right now, this arbitrary cycle we have just been able to count, it's also what other market participants are looking at. Given all of these things, and also the sort of volumes we're seeing on the options side of things, you might want to keep your eye on GME stock. So we have this ambitious target, as I pointed out, of 41.82, that will take it all the way up here. Yes, for that exactly, somewhere around that's at the sort of level where it was as of the middle of last month, August. So short interest is currently at, I think, 20%. Yes, 21%, and it's going to take 11.56 days to cover. That is because we have now seen that it's been a bit quiet on GME, hence that 11.56% short interest ratio. So a lot of things are pointing to that sort of direction. A lot of things are pointing that there is likely there's likely to be a move, 19% move upwards, possibly. Looks more like it, but at the same time it could be a further retracement downwards. So our ambitious target again for GameStop is 41.82. So see what you make of GME stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.